So, a common question we're getting right now is what attorneys should attend the Law Firm Admin Bootcamp? Should attorneys attend the Law Firm Admin Bootcamp? And my quick answer to that is no. It's really not the highest use of an attorney's time to attend the Law Firm Admin Bootcamp. And here's why. The goal of the Law Firm Admin Bootcamp is to delegate the training, the coaching, the leadership, and the empowerment of your team members, of your employees, of the folks that are at the front of the house, serving and protecting your calendar, the client experience, the conversions, the life cycle of a file, and give them to us so we can train them and support them and free you up to be in the conference room working with clients. So it's not, in my opinion, the highest use of an attorney's time to be in the program. Every Tuesday, we will meet for 12 weeks, and there will be a very, very clear, concise, well communicated, methodical training that occurs. It is all geared towards the client service coordinators, your receptionists, your paralegals in some instances. Again, they'll have to discern if it's a good fit for them as well, depending on what role they play, if they're sitting in the conference room, etc. Your marketing coordinators. This is for even your outsource and offshore VAs and virtual employees as well. Each week, they will come to you as the attorneys, as an entrepreneur, as a business owner with very, very clear homework. So you will know exactly what they are learning in the program, number one. Number two, they're going to come to you with proposed solutions versus consistent problems. Your job as the attorney, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur is to be available for your employees. Your job is to give them feedback. And my goal is at the end of the 12 weeks, you will have full faith and confidence that you can let go and trust that your team can run the front of the house so you can have full confidence that you can be serving clients, that you can be serving as an attorney. Each class will be recorded. Each class will be in the back end of the academy. For any attorneys that want to go back and listen to any of the recordings, ones for this previous program or any of the materials that we've created over the past 20 years, you have 24 access there to attend that. Each Thursday, we will have open coaching hours for the support team to come to us and say where they're jammed up, where they need support, where they need a breakthrough, where they need help. That'll be open coaching hours, and you can look at the calendar for the time for that. That time is not for the attorneys. This is sacred space for just the team members to come to get a breakthrough so they can have your back as the attorney and the entrepreneur so they can support you. Thursday afternoons, we will have a series. There, if you look at the calendar, January, we have referral marketing, working with your referral sources. In February, we have the client intake, working on sales and intake and conversion and reporting, all the things for your client service coordinators, receptionists, and those that are on the front lines with the phones. We also have an additional series where we're going to have the Intake Academy coming in February and March, doing a 6-week series on training your intake coordinators. And then in March, we will have a guest speaker that'll come in and talk about law firm marketing. So you're happy, or you're more than willing to able to attend any of the Thursday series and training sessions that occur there. But again, I don't believe it's the highest use of an attorney's time to attend all of these training sessions. It's up to you. You can clarify and verify. The only thing that is an absolute no for the attorneys is the open coaching hour and the open coaching sessions. We've ran numerous surveys, and the team members said they would like that time for them is sacred time, so they could have a breakthrough of really figuring out how they can support you in letting go and trusting and having the confidence that they can manage the files, manage the client experience, and manage the front of the house. This program was designed for your admin team, for your your front of the house for your non-attorney positions, because in my experience, there's nothing out there that is for them. This is a gift for them. This is a retention tool for them. This is a sacred space for your support staff to come to. And there's no shortage of training and CE and coaching programs for paralegals and attorneys. But I have searched high and low to find something for what I believe, the most special, the most sacred position, which is our admin team, which is our support team. Without them, none of this would be possible. So this is a sacred place just for them. Again, you can have 24/7 access to the back end of the academy. Give me your team. Give us your team. I brought in guest experts and speakers to support me that have been serving in the legal space for 20 plus years as well. So let go and trust and let us handle all the heavy lifting of empowering and coaching and leading and training your support team. You will see the benefits of this from week one. You will know exactly what they're working on. But again, your job as the attorney, your job as an entrepreneur is to give them available time, space, attention, and your presence to be able to do needle moving work throughout this 12 weeks of the program. Thank you for trusting me with your support team, and I look forward to creating leading legal leaders in 12 weeks or less.